this in this next room is really cool, but also creepy. Holy shit!
I don't think we should show that.
I didn't see that.
Photo of Ivy on here.
These are our new friends that we met. I don't know if you guys are comfortable.
That's fine. Yeah.
But they
I
get.
deleted that picture.
Yeah.
Oh wait, hold on.
Oh, here's this cutie pie.
That looks like my cat a little bit.
It does. I was gonna say
Yeah.
it kind of
That's
does
so
look
weird.
like her.
Yeah, she's like, I want to say like half Bengal, half domestic. And we found her in a shelter.
That's what I did. That's the thing. Like,
That's so
Okay, and
crazy.
this is her.
Oh my god.
She looks like
Twin.
like a little more like tortoise shell, you know? Like she has more of a tortoise shell pattern, but you
Yeah.
can definitely see
Yeah.
the Bengal coming out on her. What does her belly look
Oh.
like?
like it's like kind of like orange.
Do not encourage that. I've been telling you for years it's not a Bengal. It's just a tabby.
No, I swear she like maybe
Now that I'm
have.
looking at that
I'm
photo,
saying she might be like half Bengal,
It's very real.
and I have proof
Wonder
that she like
if
said.
you can like do a DNA test on I know you can do a DNA test on dogs, but I didn't know about
You should be
cats.
able to do it for cats too. Like you should be able to take like some of their fur or their whisker or
So
something like that.
those are his cats, but I have a cat, Bella. She's on the channel a lot, and
I can't see it.
the other day. Every time
Twins.
you guys live together? Or?
No, I'm from Massachusetts.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'm just here for college.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
For college.
Pitt.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay, are you guys ready for this?
Yeah, I gotta see it now.
Oh my gosh, he's so cute.
What kind of cat is that?
He's a Persian.
Oh my god.
Interesting.
Don't you think Chewy's part Persian?
Chewy is
Or
a
ragdoll, maybe. I don't know. He's
no. Chewy is more of the big ones.
he's not. I don't think he's a Maine Coon.
Yeah, he is.
She's the chunky one.
Ragdoll.
At my parents' house, they have 5 freaking cats.
That's my dream.
Really?
Insanity.
That's awesome.
Brad was like, I'm sorry, I love you, babe, but we're not having 5 cats. And I agree. Well, here's the thing. Bella is not
Depends on
a...
the cats too.
Yeah, Bella is not a... She is a one cat, but one person too. Like, he hates that he can't pick her up without... We have these things called death mints, and we pick her up. If like...
I'm really not trying to ruin his, bark here and stuff like that. I just really don't know how to even get in contact. I know, I'm bad at technology. You guys want to donate or Vimo? That's it right there. I don't know if we. Oh.
It gives the full effect. I'm gonna make it short real quick.
Oh, you're gonna make it short?
Yeah.
The polka dot room.
The infinity polka dot room. In the Mattress Factory, Pittsburgh, PA.
You have better image on yours.
Let's go to the next one. Oh, I can put
The polka dot room. Are you doing a short there too?
Yeah, so
Alright guys, we go in the second room. There's a lot of people in line, so I don't want to waste too much time.
See, coconut room with naked ladies, guys. And, man.
You want to make the video again?
No, it's okay.
Okay. That makes it sound bad. Well, I guess it's kind of payback for my embarrassments towards you. Oh, I'll do that anyway. Okay. We don't want to keep the.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Well, I'm gonna take a picture of it in here.
Are you taking a picture?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, they don't have it on it now. Oh, I'll have it starting in a couple of minutes. Oh. This is where you kind of have to have night vision to see it. Give it a couple of minutes, it's going to start. It's a little movie they have. And over there they showed you how they made it. That was really cool. This is something I can relate to. I don't know what that's about. Kind of have to have night vision to see it.
What?
To see this room. Wonder what they're moving around there. Yeah, well, so what do you think so far?
It's pretty cool. I like it.
Yeah. So I didn't realize there's a little more. But she's going to read this book for you.
Maybe.
Maybe.
I haven't decided.
Frogs on a Ferris wheel. Remember that Heinz the frog signing out? Look, it's a cat. Is that a half Bengal cat?
What is with the aww?
I don't know why, but she's impressed.
What the actual heck? I'm trying not to swear. But what? This literally is like a little Pat. He has a better car than I do.
What do you mean?
Well, it's a 2026. But I'm just saying.
Well, yes, 2026. You can charge your phone.
Through a fucking pad. You don't even need a car charger.
No, you
Because I
don't.
asked him for a car charger because my phone is at like 38% and I wanted to, survive for a little longer. And he was like, you can just put it here. I'm like, oh, what now?
Yeah, you can put it on your Oh, by the way, I'll show you later, but we decided to nickname this car
Wait, what?
because of Brad.
Oh.
We decided to nickname this car the Batmobile. It's forever known as the Batmobile. But this is just a little fun video. Okay, cool.
Okay.
So I won't show them because I don't know how they feel. But like you said, there's a band that this guy's in, or that our new friend is in, called Bad Love. And I guess they're on TikTok.
Yeah.
Bad Love.
Yeah. Oh, are you filming right now?
Well, I just do.
That's fine. No, I'm cool. I just didn't know.
I just didn't want to make
I got
sure.
no problem. Yeah, I got no problem. You can put that on there.
Yeah.
Hey, I'll be in it.
Oh, okay, cool.
What's up?
Yeah. So this guy is from the band Bad Love.
Yep.
And
on YouTube. Found on YouTube too.
yeah, and so check him out, and I'll definitely check him out.
Sweet. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. I can't wait
I'm
to watch
gonna
that.
kill you for filming me eating.
Yeah.
Hey, enjoy. I'll be back.
Oh, you
Thanks,
too.
son.
Thanks.